Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another really quick video. So I'm here with a brand new Motorola G85. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to change this phone's screen refresh rate. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just simply follow the steps that I'm about to show in the video. Okay, so simply pull down the notifications and then pull it down again. You have to pull it down twice until you see the settings icon there. And select it. And now just scroll down until you see the display option. So there it is, display. And once again, just scroll down again. Don't scroll down too far now, until you see the display refresh rate. Okay, so by default, when you first get the phone and you take it out of the box, it's set to auto. However, you can change it to 60 Hz, and 60 Hz provides lower battery consumption, but the smoothness when you're scrolling up and down, it's not going to be that smooth. If you want the real smoothness, you have to switch to 120 Hz. So just select 120 Hz and it explains smoother, higher battery consumption. So you're gonna get a nice smoothing experience when you're scrolling through. However, it's gonna use up a lot more battery. If you don't want to use up a lot more battery and you want a jittery scrolling experience, keep it set to either auto or 60 Hz. But if you want a smooth scrolling experience, even though it uses a lot more battery, keep it set to 120 Hz. And it also explains here as well what happens. So a higher display refresh rate allows for smoother viewing, but drains the battery faster. Refresh rate is capped at 60 Hz in battery saving mode. So if you have the phone set to battery saving mode, you know, the smoothing rate when you're scrolling, it's going to be slow. It's going to be jittery. You know what I mean? But once it's not in battery saving mode and it's set to 120 Hz, you're going to get that nice, smooth feel. For example, you see how fast that is? You see how quick that is? That's that 120 Hz experience. However, if you set it to 60 Hz, hold on, let me just go back into the settings. So, go back to 60 Hz. It's not going to be as quick and it's not going to be as smooth. So that's what the refresh rate is all about. It's all about that smoothness, all about that quickness, that lightning fast experience when you're swiping through your web pages and when you're browsing. So yeah, that's how you set the screen refresh rate to 120 Hz on the Motorola G85. Hope this video helped you all out. Give it a thumbs up if it did do. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to my TikTok page. And just follow the Android Doctor. I'm here to help with everything as usual. I'm out.